Guys, do you remember when we discovered that Uma Ngwabe has a son? You remember? When we discovered that she has Simpiwe, who was born before she got married to Mseleko. You remember that? It was between seasons. And when the next season began, Uma Ngwabe just sat there and just like casually said, yeah, I have a son. Mina umseleko wangithatha even though I do have a son. Like casually, like I have a son. Like all of us were like, ayo, kanjani when it's season 8 already. It was season 8 or season 7. We're like, ayo. And she just said it very casually, like, what's the big deal? I do have a son. And then Umselek, on the other hand, was sitting there trying to justify why the son had not made an appearance and why the son doesn't come to the Umseleko family. But Umangwaba was sitting there just like casually, like, what's the big deal? And I did not understand why that woman was so casual about that situation. But now I do understand. Because Mangwaba was like, I have a son because everybody has a baby here that you don't know about. You know, I feel like next season we are going to find out that Matsele has a child before Mseleko, that she was married. And she's going to come and be like, I've been married several times. She's gonna come and say, I've been married several times. Because like on Utanane, everybody has done things several times. Several times. You know, we are finding out that Makumalo did IVF several times. Her sister is sitting there saying Makumalo has been pregnant several times. She has a baby several times. It's just like season 9 should be called several times. Like several times. Mseleko has lied several times. You know, Mayeni is done with Mseleko several times. And Mangobe has been living several times. You know. But I understand Mangwabe because Mangwabe was like, guys, like we all have kids, you know, that we had before we got married. It was a big deal. But for all of us, it was like, Hayibo, kanjani? Njani? So this is why Mangwabe was casual, because she knew we are still going to find out what the others nabo. We are finding out Kumalo. Now here is the thing that Mseleko is doing. Mseleko, it's like he gets into this thing where they make an agreement with the wife that they're not going to disclose certain information. And he goes along with you while you are on his side on the show. And the minute that you are not on his side, he turns that very same lie that you had agreed upon. The two of you had agreed with this one. We will reveal it all. But Yabona, this one. We are not going to reveal. He turns that thing around now to be, you become the one that lied about that situation. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I just took off my glasses. You become the one that lied about the situation. Because now it's like, Kumalo is the only one now that kept that lie about her having a baby. Now Umselek is like, one day he is going to tell us why Umakumalo has problems that she has in terms of giving birth, like the fertility issues. But anyway, you guys, Makumalo, the issues, those who are educated, do we call them fertility issues, even though it's not like she cannot fall pregnant? She can fall pregnant. She could fall pregnant before. Now I don't know, guys, because remember they sat with the doctor and the doctor said Makumalo could not possibly have a child like herself. It was medically impossible at that point. So now I'm just even thinking maybe they just convinced that they paid that doctor Indian doctors sometimes bayithanda imali. Mhlawumbe bayimkhokhele lowa doctor osasho kanjalo, we never know. Now I believe nothing about Makhumalo. Until Makhumalo tells her side of the story, I just believe nothing because I don't know. Now, what was I saying? Now, Mseleko is trying to insinuate that Makhumalo might have done something that caused her to have the problems that she has, which obviously all our minds goes into termination. That maybe she terminated. And there's so many people that have terminated and then they have kids after termination. But sometimes when you've done it a number of times, several times. Several. If you've done it several times, sometimes it can. Sometimes even once if you do it in these places that are not... Sometimes even if you do it in these legal places, anything can go wrong because it's a medical procedure. So he's trying to basically say that Makhumalo, because that's where my mind went. Is this man trying to say that? Because if it happens, then we are going to have to find out, okay? This is my notebook today. We are going to have to go back. Where's my pen? I don't have a pen close by, but we are going to have to find out. First question number 1. Okay. If she did do what you are suggesting that she did, how old was she? Okay. Question number 2. Were you the father? And then we are going to take the phone and we are going to say, Gringly, the police. Do you have, what do you call it, the time that is where you can report a case? The last time I checked, there wasn't any for R. Okay, because it will start to Tori. Because you cannot tell me that this girl said yes to you at 18, but she had already done things several times. At 18, guys, what do you know? What have you done several times at 18? Except fail a class several times. What could you have done at 18 that could cause you to have issues with at 18, what could you have done? What could you have done that can cause you? Tell me. Play 13 several times. Play 13. Play Ushumpu several times. Play Umagalopa several times. What could you have done several times at 18? Because eventually go confirm the 18 years. I remember saying, these people are just saying 18 because they know if they say 17, we are going to think 16 and when it's actually 15. So they are trying to play it safe. Because that's what they all of them do. They say, no, I waited until she was 18. But the truth is, she was not 18. She might have been 17. But in reality, she was 16 or maybe 15 turning 16. It's always like that. It's always like the only person in this internet that has been honest about dating a girl that was underage is Siyacela. Siyacela beat them all because he told the truth. And he said Thando was 16, he was also 16. These other men that are dating young girls, they are always trying to convince us the girls are 18, 19. But when you really calculate, they are 16, 17, they are 15, 16. So at 18, Mseleko is going to have to tell us about the age. And he is going to have to tell us if we had to go to Tatako, thereby who would be the father? And then we are going to have to call the police. Mkhwanazi is very busy, but Mkhwanazi might just take a call. If we say Uthando Nesthembu, Mkhwanazi might just listen. So I feel like this secret, now that he's getting along with because now he wants to reveal all of Makhumalo's secrets. But in revealing Makhumalo's secrets, you are revealing your own secrets because that little girl was once too little for you. And if she did things several times, that led to her having the problems that she's having now. We want to find out how much were you part of it. How would that girl find out where to go to do the things that you are talking about? Say, you must not start with us tomorrow's episode. Go to them and tell them, guys, I'm joking. It's time. Can we re-edit tomorrow's episode? Ando is coming after. Go and tell them to re-edit tomorrow's episode. Because if you reveal Makumalo's secrets, you are revealing your own, and we are going to get you. You have several hours. You have several hours to go and re-edit that episode, because we are about to find out all of your secrets. What we are interested in is the age, who the father is. And then we have Mkhwanazi on speed dial. We are waiting. Anyways, you guys, Mkhwanazi aside, what I am saying is that Umseleko has this thing of keeping a secret with the wife. And then when the wife is not in the same side as him, all your secrets are coming out. But now it doesn't become both your secret. It becomes your secret, and then he stands on, And if I was Makwela, I was going to turn this page like this and be writing my notes. Okay. One day, this man will reveal all of our secrets. And he will say, they are my secret only, not his. I would take notes if I was Makwela. Because how he treats Makumalo is how he treated Mangwabe, and it's how he treated Mayin, and it's how he treated Macele. You see Macele now agreeing with everything because she does not want a headache, because she has been through it. It's coming to you, my sister. You might get a car, you might get a house, but you are also going to be lied to, and you are also going to be mistreated, just like Makumalo is being mistreated. And you are also, all of your secrets will be here for us to watch on TV. Take notes here. See this note here? I'm going to put it here because it has Mkhwanazi's number. Then I'm going to wait for tomorrow's episode to play. Then I'm going to take this paper and call Mkhwanazi. Be like, hey, some tall, some bamba. Anyways, guys, I just thought it's in before I rest, because I'm just from work. Anyway, thank you. Goodbye.